let's get, you have my camera? No.
No, you put it wherever you put it.
There you go. I have it picked movie.
There it is.
And we'll do a slow circle around it. I'm going to descend a little bit. See the carousel there?
Yeah.
So that's the karting track.
Uh-huh.
And then they have the firing range. That's those two long gravel rectangles.
Uh-huh.
Let's see if we're at 900. We'll go down to 19 real quick. Boy, does that look like a small track when you're up here.
Yeah, it does.
And the track, if you focus on the one closest to us, kind of right below us,
Yeah.
that's where they do lemons.
Oh.
And then coming up here, we're rounding turn 10 into the straightaway.
What are all these little dirt tracks?
You know, you know what this is? This is when we did the rally ride, remember?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's all this right here.
They're a lot bigger and more defined than I thought.
Yeah. And it looks like the skid pad, the circle almost directly below us.
Stomach approach, Sky 9400 Lima, Gaithersburg inside. Sky 9400 Lima, remain on your assigned transponder at all times, and frequency change approved today. Thanks very much, Sky 9400 Lima.
The front straight.
Yeah. We'll do one lap. We have to do one lap, right?
Are you scared your mother to death?
Yeah. And for the record, our ground speed is about 100 miles an hour. So if we did the
So
whole...
you beat this in a Corvette?
Well, yeah, at least on the straightaway. Not going 100 miles an hour around turn 1 right there.
Well, no.
And you see, just past turn 1, that other track there.
Yeah.
That's the circuit we did the hyperdrive on.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And you see how close they are together.
They are.
I didn't realize that.
It's a little scary.
A little bit. All right, let's do a steep turn.
Woo! Are we following the course?
Yeah. Except that's not really going to work when we do a left turn. So we're going to go and do a left turn. And go back. There we are. You see the carousel there?
No, I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, right down there. We're right at 1,000 feet above ground level right now.
That's where they serve terrible coffee.
Oh my God, that was bad.
And that's where the hillbillies yell at each other.
Oh yeah, across the way. Man, that kept us up all night. Pretty neat.
That's really cool.
See, I'll do a little slip here to aim the window down.
I like these rally tracks.
Yeah. It looks like they keep making it bigger and bigger.
Yeah,
Pretty neat.
that's really cool.
All right, let's get back over the mountains.
Okay. Say
Hey.
hi.
Hi. What's up?
Okay, do I turn this off?
Hit the red record button there. Be really cool to